Setting up document. Setting up your document correctly from the start will make you appear your job much easier as you work through your project. You will require some advanced planning. For example, if your final output will be a brochure, you may not need to set up your document to be horizontal or double-sided. After opening the Adobe Illustrator application, you will see this dialog box which contains the recent item that been created and creating a new document. To create a new document, click File on the menu tab, then choose New. This will open the document setup dialog box. Here you will be able to set up the correct page size and the orientation of your document. Options included but are not limited to page size. Choose a page size from the menu or type values for width and height. Page size represent the final size you want after bleeds of trimming other mark outside the page. These are the presets for common sizes, such as letter, tabloid, legal, A4, A3, B4, or B5. To change unit size from points to inches, click on the Units drop-down. It consists of points, picas, inches, millimeters, centimeters, and pixels. In the orientation of the document, you can click the portrait or the landscape icons. These icons interact dynamically with the dimension of you enter on your page size. When height is the larger value, the portrait icon is selected. When width is the larger value, the landscape icon is selected. Clicking the opposite icon switches to height and width values. Then, new document profile. Choose a profile that will best fit with your project. For example, when making a graphic for a brochure, choose print. When making a graphic for a web, choose web. Each document profile has appropriate presets for the project. The document profile consists of print, web, mobile and devices, video and film, basics CMYK, and basics RGB. I will choose the print profile. In this area, you can input the designated name that you want to be recognized on your document. When you have entered all your document settings, just click OK.